And if you look very closely, you'll see that this image looks a little bit crooked. It's not really that crooked, but just the way the shot was taken, you can see that the horizon here, and you could see that the land is a little bit crooked. So let me show you a really cool technique that you can do to straighten out photographs. All you have to do over here on the toolbar is click on the eyedropper tool, and then you'll find the measure tool, which is right here. Now to straighten out the image, all we have to do is look for that crooked plane. And in this image, it's very easy to tell that all we have to do is just click next to the top of the water here and rest this ruler right on top of that. You see that? And then come up here to Image, down here to Rotate Canvas, and select Arbitrary right here. Now, as soon as you select that, Photoshop's going to enter in an automatic value right in here, because it's going to look at the ruler and look at the angle of the ruler, and it's going to go ahead and create the value that's needed to make this image straight. And so let's just leave that value like it is and go ahead and click OK, and watch this. Photoshop will straighten this image on this layer for you. Look at that. And we could probably cover up the sides here a little bit. I can just select the Move tool and position this over, or better yet, I can select Edit, Free Transform, and I can zoom out of the image a little bit, hold down Alt, which is Option on the Mac, and I'll enlarge this image just to cover the canvas completely. Look at that. Then I'll go ahead and confirm that, and then I'll bring this down just a little bit, just somewhere like there. And so we can just sort of imagine the elephant and the other buildings and towers and the water. And I like having this extra space up here in the image as well, just so we can create a nice composition.